Stand down. Oliver, what the hell are you doing on my Earth?
Oh, look who it is. And you brought a friend to my secret bunker.
The city's lucky to have a hero like you in it.
Wow. Nice of you to show up.
Sorry, but we need to focus on the mission.
First of all, there is no we here, and the only mission that I care about is saving what's left of my Earth.
Laurel.
Screw the Monitor, Oliver, and screw you too.
What the hell?
If that's nerd talk for breach device, then yes, and I need you to fix it. Looks like I'm not the only one who needed backup. Oh, great.
Don't need a babysitter.
No, but you might need backup. Oh, well, clearly no one has informed you that I used to play for Team Villain. So maybe you should try doing things differently, too. You must be the Monitor.
How do you know?
Because no human would actually wear something so ridiculous.
Who wouldn't want to be reminded of the tropics in these cold Russian winters?
Well, apparently his customers.
Nice to see this one still charming.
How's the search going?
God, I can't stand pity parties.
Easy for you to say. You're the Black Canary. All I've ever heard are stories about how great you are. The teacher, you even saved me once, like it was nothing.
I'll deal with the muscle. You just watch my back.
I didn't think you were gonna make it.
Me either. And by the way, I pull off the short hair way better than you do. Where's Oliver? He went after them. Made me the radioactive material mule. Oliver, you gotta go! God, I hate this island. Oh, I'm sorry to take you out of your bubble, but we really need you. Mia's in position. D, you're up. Thought it was a friends drink for free kind of place. You go get Bianca, and we'll take care of Logan and his friends. What? You'll be fine.
Bianca's not here.
Why don't we go back to talking about Mia's love life?
That's not.
You know I dated your dad, right? Two bodies beside her, I'm guessing they're guards.
How much more company can we expect?
Depends on how fast we move.
Ready?
Oh, I get it. She broke up with you, and now your feelings are hurt. Aww.
Me not really care if I'm what's next? Incoming text from the vets. No way here. I'm fearless. Must say what's on my chest. Right there's time for me tune.
You're gonna have to do better than that. Welcome back.
Oh my God. Who are you bitches?
I wanted to thank you. Both of you. Basically, what you're saying is that I was right. Don't gloat.
So what's the plan?
I plan on getting as drunk as humanly possible.
No,
I'm fine, like always.
There is nothing about you that needed to be fixed.
there's something nice about it, too.